Good morning, guys. In this video I'll be teaching you how the MT4 and MT5 app works, how you can use it and trade forex. There are so many icons on this app, and I'll be doing a walkthrough around the app basically, so that you can know what to do when you open this app as a beginner, or a starting forex trader. Now, when you open the app, you have a first page. As you can see on my screen, this first page has different details. The first detail you can see here is this Xness, and below it you see connect to, and you see Everest demo, you see FBS Real and another FBS Real. Now these are different brokers, different accounts I have opened with different brokers, forex brokers, and this shows you that you can open any number of accounts with different brokers, totally different brokers in one app, and trade both demo and real accounts. Now I am currently Xness broker is the broker that is currently on right now. The Everest, the FBS are not on, they're not in operation right now. But once I click on them, I can operate on them. But for now, any broker that stays on top is actually the broker that is you are operating on the account at that moment in that app. So Xness, I'm operating with Xness right now. I'm using Xness broker at the moment. That's why you can see it appear on top of the others. Now going further, you can see at the top left hand corner accounts. When you click on that account, on the top left hand corner you can see standard with some numbers: 80, 32, 44, 55, Xness, MT5, trial 9, manage accounts. Then below you can see some details like quotes, charts, trade history, account monitoring, mailbox, news, economic calendar, messages, traders community, trading application, settings, journal, about. Now you don't really need to know everything on this app. There's some things that are not really important for now, but for those very important details I'll be going through them and explaining what they are used for and how they work. Now above you can see the standard. Standard signifies the type of accounts I opened with this trader Xness. There are different types of accounts every broker has, but the major and the basic of them is standard, micro and macro. Some traders have pro accounts, some have exotic accounts, that are names of accounts. Some they have Islamic accounts, but the standard account is actually the basic. I advise any trader, any forex trader, upcoming forex trader to open or to get started with. Maybe along your journey to forex, you'll get to understand the differences between the other accounts and know which one is best for you. There's another called zero spread account, but all these accounts have differences and the advantages and disadvantages of using them. So above there, at the left hand corner, you can also see Xness MT5 trial 9, and what this means is that this is a trial account under this broker. From this broker is a trial account. Every broker have different trial accounts and different real accounts. When you try to register with them, they will place you on a particular trial account or real account. And trial means demo. Some brokers call it demo, which means that the money you used to trade in there is not real money. So the profit you're making, you cannot withdraw it. You can only use it to learn how to trade or test strategies. Now under this same place you can see manage account. This manage account, and if I click on manage account, it takes me back to the very first screen Maybe probably I want to move from this account, I want to move away from this XNS account to this. So I'll click on it. When I click on this account here, it will direct me to another page where I have to log in or sign in. And once I click on this sign, it will direct me to this particular account. I'll open it, and this account I'll start operating on it at that moment. Okay, but then how do you get an account um, on forex, a forex account? The only way you can get a forex account in forex with the particular broker you want is by logging into the broker's website. For example, if XNES is the broker you want to open an account with, you go to www.xnes.com, you log in. After you have done every necessary information, followed every necessary information and registered, they will send you details, your login details to your email account. From that email account, for your email address, you go log into your email address, get those details. They open the MT4, MT5, depending on the particular app you registered for. Because when you open their website, you'll be asked if you want to register on the MT4, MT5. So if you registered on the MT5, they'll send you login details for MT5, and that details cannot be used on MT4. So when you open your MT5 like this first page, you come over to this plus sign over here. You click on the plus sign. Then some brokers already listed here. These ones that are listed here are the ones that I've used. That's why you see them listed here. But then you can search for the broker you want by typing the broker's name, or by copying the broker's server, because they will give you login and password and what is called server. You type the whole server here. For example, maybe it's XM, this XM. You type in XM with the full server you are given there, or if it's XNES, you type it the same way it's being sent in your email. This for XNES. You click log into existing account. This is the server. You click on this server, it brings down a drop down menu. So on your email address, it will give you a particular server. Probably they can give you XNES trial this, or XNES trial 2, or XNES trial 3, depending on what you open. If it's a real account, they'll give you a server, probably MT5 real 6, MTS real 8, MTS real 3, and you must use that particular server you are giving. Then let's say I'm giving MTS real 2. I click on real 2. It gets here. I come here. I fill in my login. I fill in my password. Then I log in. So immediately you log in, the account automatically appears here. It automatically appears on this area, and when it appears, then you can now go through whatever you want to do and start your trading. So this is how you register and get your forex account on the broker to work on the MT4 or MT5 app. After registering, you take those details, come to MT4, MT5, log in into your MT4, MT5, then you start trading. So this is how you get an account, forex account with a broker.